They're using it as a warehouse, and that's against the deed restrictions, and he doesn't even own the house. You haven't posted a video for 3 months.
Damn, you know me better than me. What's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're taking a trip all the way down to Houston from Dallas to pick up 2 vending machines. And the reason why we're driving 4 hours away is because if you want a brand new combo machine right now, a lot of companies have a 6-month waiting period, and of course, nobody got time for that. So I saw a pretty good deal down in Houston. It's 2 basically brand new combo machines for $7,000. This is actually my first time moving vending machines with a U-Haul trailer. I've never done it before. We do have the ramp on it and we have a pallet jack, but I feel like the lift is gonna be too big. And it's just me and you. You think we can do it? 2 combo machines, bring in 4 hours back.
It's always me and you. What do you mean? Do you not? Look at these guns. Look at them.
But first, before we actually go and pick up the 2 vending machines, rule number 1 when traveling is you stop at every single rest stop to look at the vending machines. You don't buy nothing, you just look at them.
Then what's the point of looking at them?
There's food at the house. So check it out. They have how many machines? 4, 2 snack, 2 drink. The reason why we always look at them is we always want to see how other vendors stock up their machines like this. Why would there be a pastry in the first chip tray? It's chip, crackers, candy, maybe some protein bars, and then pastries.
So, are we gonna buy something?
Take out the money. You got the money. Also, you guys might be wondering why we have a vending machine on the back of the U-Haul, and basically it's because the guy that I'm buying the combo machines today, he called me last night and he said this.
I needed to go pick up a machine out there. I want to know if you can pick that up for me and bring it. I can knock off like 200 bucks.
Could you do 400?
Really, man, I already went down like over $1,000 on these machines.
I know, but it's a job. It's a job. You know how heavy they can be.
How about 275 just because?
So he's paying me $275 to pick up the machine and take it to him. It's literally on the way over there. I'm buying the machines from him either way.
Look at it. Look how small it is. Look at this. I can just like pick it up and put it over my head.
It's still pretty heavy though. It's cool. We can just trust a random guy that we just met in our truck.
I thought you were gonna go in there with him, honestly.
I probably should have, right?
Yeah.
So the reason why he's driving the truck is because apparently there's a Karen like to the left that even if you touch the grass, she freaks out, and she's actually looking at us right now. Alright, so we made it all the way down to Houston. Like I said, we are buying 2 combo machines. They're both exactly the same. Here's one of them. It was left plugged in so we can actually see if it gets cold. This one, identical to the other combo machine we're buying. Now that we actually took down this sort of machine, I can actually see how tiny it is. Look at this. I'm taller than it. First time, I'm actually taller than the machine.
Cute.
On 3, 1, 2, 3. Who said moving vending machines was easy, right?
I know, right? So, it's up to you.
Alright, so I did bring my pallet jack so we can load up the machines into the trailer, but he has an ultra lift, which is basically a regular dolly that is motorized. It actually has a battery inside, which lifts the machines really easy.
Is this what you want for Christmas?
Did you hear him? How much they are? How much are those dollies? How much do they go for?
$3,000.
I'll stick with my pallet jack.
I just can't deny giving me the best time. My body's shaking every time you get into my mind.
You should have just took them off.
Only you can show me how to come alive. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting.
He's not supposed to be here after dark.
I mean, it's like barely 7 though.
It's after 8.
So you can't be here after 8?
He doesn't own the home. They're using it as a warehouse, and that's against the deed restrictions, and he doesn't even own the house. When he parks his truck here for 2 weeks over Christmas, that's not allowed. When his box truck weighs down the driveway
Yeah.
and all the runoff goes and screws up my foundation, that's not allowed. Is it my name?
Yeah, how do you know?
Dude?
How do you know?
Google.
What?
You haven't posted a video for 3 months.
Damn, you know me better than me. I'm like Switzerland here, I'm nobody's
I'll be
side.
friends with him. He's not.
Alright, as you guys can see, we were able to load up both vending machines onto the trailer. It took all day and longer than I expected. She was recording him for like 10 minutes straight, so I took out my camera, I pointed it at her and I was about to ask her like, hey, you must want to start a vending machine business or something, like, but before I was able to say that, she started explaining how he's not supposed to be there or whatever. Anyways, besides the point, we got the 2 machines and we did it.
Now let's hurry up because we have a long way to go.
Yeah, let's go. All right, everyone, so we saw a challenge on TikTok where you try multiple drinks without looking and you have to try to guess the correct flavor. It's gonna be me against my girlfriend. She picked out these 5 drinks for me and I have another 5 for her. Whoever gets the most wrong is gonna have to eat the 1 chip challenge. You ready?
Yeah, if I lose, I'll even put Valentina on it.
All right, we'll see. I should get every single one right. I mean, I sell snacks for a living. I feel like I will lose more than I'll gain.
Yeah, embarrassment.
I know. Here's the first one. I'm already starting off bad. I know, Pepsi. What is that? What is it?
No way.
Dr. Pepper. Strawberry, Fanta, easy. I need like a palate cleanser, you know? Easy. Oh, that's hard. It could be, I know it's orange flavor. I don't know if it's Crush or Sunkissed. I'm gonna go with Sunkissed Orange. And here we go, last one. If that's not Dr. Pepper, I'm gonna be mad. Or is it Mr. Pibb? I can't believe all of these flavors taste so similar if you don't look at them. Okay, how many did I get right? Tell me, I'm ready.
1.
1?
1.
Guys, I'm selling my vending machine business. If you want to buy it, email me. I don't deserve to be doing this. Are you ready?
No, you failed.
Just please don't embarrass me in front of everyone. Get every single one wrong.
That tastes like Dr. Pepper. No, it's not. That's Pepsi. Pepsi's flat, tastes like water.
Bruh.
Crap, no. Diet Coke. Ow. Ew. This tastes nasty.
You should know what that is.
Yeah, Diet Dr. Pepper. Ugh. It's because it's hot. It doesn't taste good hot. That's Jarritos. What is it? Piña.
This is your favorite.
Root beer.
Just root beer?
What do you mean?
All right, is that gonna be your final answers?
Yes. What is it?
You're such a loser.
I got all of them wrong?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No, I really thought my taste buds were so enhanced.
No, let me show you what you thought Pepsi was. The first one.
Ew.
You like Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, but that doesn't taste like Dr. Pepper.
Hey, that's what I said about Mountain Dew,
This
remember?
is old.
And root beer, it is root beer, but it's 0 sugar.
That counts though.
No, it's diet.
Okay, but Mr. Pibb was diet too, and I still gave it to you.
This is it. Are you ready?
No.
You've had this before, so you know how it is.
Not this one, not the blue one.
This is a new one. Apparently, it makes your tongue blue. At least we're both losers together. It's so stale. Look at my fingers. Look at my mouth. Are you okay?
Oh, nasty!
Did you throw up?
No.
I need some water. Give me some water, Way.
No, get your own. There's no more.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I think I touched my eye.
I don't want to do that anymore.
I can't even open my eyes. It's been about 10 minutes. It's still just as bad. What do you think? Let's do it again?
I had to spit it out. Wait, I don't know what happened.
But did you eat it or no?
I did.
Oh, you did? You probably can't tell, but my eye is so red. It somehow got into my eye and it started burning. But overall, that was pretty fun. Never again are we gonna take that one chip challenge again. Alright everyone, so it's been a couple days after I bought the 2 machines, and before I end the video, I want to give you guys an update on what happened. So as y'all can see, I no longer have the 2 machines anymore because literally the day after I got them, I had a couple locations that wanted them. One of them went to a factory and the other one to an auto shop across the street from where we are. So it's crazy how everything just worked out. This is everything I have left. I have a snack machine that's broken. This is actually the machine that they broke into a while back. I actually never fixed it. This one is perfect. It's ready for location. This one is actually for a future video. I don't want to show you guys yet. And then a frozen machine that I still have to fix. And of course, you guys know the claw machine. Also, I do apologize for not posting for the last 4 months. The reason why is because I've been getting sick a lot this entire year. I've been to the doctor like 20 times, all for different reasons. Nothing major, so don't worry. So I decided to take a break so I'm not stressed and so I can focus on my health. I'm not 100% good yet, but I know you guys miss the videos. I miss making videos. So we are going to try to post at least once every week or 2. We have so many things we want to show you guys in future videos, so I hope you guys are excited. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.